Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to store data to local storage by using shared preferences package. This package has the highest rank in the PubDev website, and this package supports integer, double, string and list of strings data types, and this package is supported by all platforms like iOS, Android, Windows and macOS. Let's start by adding our package, which I'm using shortcut for that. I'll let you know the shortcut. Now I click the PubSpec assist adaptive dependencies. I will write the package name here, which is shared preferences. Now it's added the package. First I need to create an instance for this package. I will create the late final shared preferences like this. Why I'm using late? Because I will initialize it in the init state. I will create the init state. Now I will create another function here. Shared preferences. Shared preferences that get instance. You will see that appears the rest of the code because I'm using GitHub Copilot, which you can use it. If you're a beginner, I don't recommend you to use it. Now I will call it inside init state like this. Now I will show you a basic save example here, which will be basic, and I will save a string here. Await shared preferences dot set string. Now as you can see, set functions will store the data and get functions will return the stored data, and there is a remove function will remove the stored data. Now let's start by using set string, which takes string k as a parameter and string value. I will write k here as name, and I will store a name here, which is John. Now to read it, I will write a function like this: final name shared preferences dot get string, and I will write the key here, which is name. Now let's print it here to see what the name is. Now I will restart because it needs to run the init state. I'm restarting the app. Now if I click save, it gives me an error. So I fixed the problem because this package depends on the native site. You need to stop the app and start it again. Now it works. Now what we done, we saved our name John by using this line of code, and we read it here. So let's try that. I will click save. Now it will save the John. When I click the read, it will read the John. As you can see, it reads the John. Now I will show you the delete function. Let's write here async and shared preferences dot remove. I will read the key here, right? Name. I will click delete. Now it delete the John. Now if I will click the read, as you can see, it returns me null because I deleted. Now let's update the screen here, and you can see more clearly. I will write here define a string which is name. Beginning it will be something like default text. Now I will give it to here, the default text. Now if I will change this to update, and it will update it here. It will get the name. I will use set state here, and let's change the stored data. I will set name to stored data, which can't be null. If it's null, I can do it like default text here. Now I click save, it said John. Now if I update, click the update, it will update here, and you can see it updated here. These are the basics of shared preferences. I showed you the storing data and reading data and removing data. Maybe in the next video make a more detailed video about it. Until then, see you